Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about For No Mall reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. And guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. Also, guys, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So next we're going to provide you with the full details of this website, so make sure to watch the video till the end and do not skip any points. So first of all, we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So after checking, we have found out that this website is an e-commerce site which deals with fitness equipments. They offer different kind of fitness equipments like bikes, max trainer, home gyms, select tech, treadmills, and many more. So guys, if you want to check out their products, you have to visit to their official site. So next we're going to talk about the other details. So first of all, we'll check the payment method and they have given it here. So you can pay through Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, and many more. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here they've given the processing timing, which is 1 business days. And if we want to know about the shipping timing, they haven't given the exact shipping timing. They have only mentioned that the actually delivery time for the destination country is based on the shipping method in your order. And there are shipping method as well. There are two shipping methods. One is standard shipping, other is free shipping. So under standard shipping, there are different methods as well, which is EMS, DHL, USPS, and e-packet. And under free shipping, there is electronic package and EDU. So now guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about their domain information, this website was registered on 18th of December 2021 and it will expire on 18th of December 2022, which means this website is very new and hence it can't be trusted. Also guys, we have checked and we have found out that the URL name and the portal name does not match, as you can see very clearly. There are two different names, so this is also very suspicious of this website. So next we're going to check the About Us details. So let's go to the About Us page section. So guys, when it comes to their details, this website has mentioned about their business establishment here. Here as you can see, it all began in 1986. And something about their innovation and about other details. So you can check this out. Next, we're going to check the contact details. So let's go to the Contact Us page section. And guys, here they provided their email address name. So you can check this out. But guys, the email address name does not match the domain name, which is a negative point of this site. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, we have checked. But this website does not have any social media presence. So this is also a huge drawback. Now we are going to check the return and refund policy. So here about the return policy, they mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 7 days of purchase. So you can check this out, guys. And guys, about the refund, they have said that after the completion, the refund will usually be completed within 7 working days. So guys, do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now talking about the For No Mall reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of the site is only 1% and the trust ranking is only 48.3%, which is very low. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the For No Mall reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very young. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, the trust score is very low, so it seems like a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please to comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.